This single cut will completely transform your rose. Take a small round piece of cardboard and apply a bit of hot glue to it. Attach it directly to the rose petals. Add a small amount of glue in the center and insert a toothpick. Separate the rose from the stem. Turn it upside down and reattach it, using the toothpick as support. Finally, gently open up the petals to give the rose a fuller, more natural shape that resembles a peony. A simple trick to give your rose a whole new look. Don't throw away wilted roses. Instead, trim the stem and remove any extra leaves. Pull off the wilted petals. Place everything in a pot with water. Add crushed candles to it. Cut off the rose heads and stick a toothpick into each one. Then attach it back to the stem. When the wax melts, take the jar with the wax out. Dip the flower in so the wax covers the entire head. Take it out and let it cool. Preserved this way, the rose will keep its shine forever. It won't wilt and will look beautiful. Instead of pouring it out, pour it under your plants. They'll reward you with lush growth and beautiful flowers. The key to healthy plants is regular care and proper feeding. Pour about 1 quart of water into a tall container. Then take some coffee grounds, a real treasure trove of nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium. They strengthen the roots, boost growth, and improve blooming. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds to the water. The next ingredient is rice, preferably white and unpolished. It contains magnesium, iron, starch, zinc, and potassium. Everything your plants need to thrive and bloom. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. Now it's time for eggshells, an excellent source of easily absorbed calcium that strengthens plant cell walls and protects them from disease. Crush a few shells in a mortar, break them into small pieces, and add them to the mixture. Stir everything well and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Prepare a large bottle, pour in the whole mixture, and top it up with another quart of water. Mix again. Make a small hole in the bottle cap. This natural fertilizer works for every type of plant. Use it once a week, and you'll notice stronger roots and more abundant flowering. Your plants will love it. Just 1 tablespoon is enough to make your daffodils grow faster and bloom more. Start by preparing a tall glass container. Add 1 tablespoon of wood ash. It provides potassium and phosphorus, boosting blooming. Now add 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds. Coffee is rich in nitrogen, which supports plant growth and improves soil structure. The next ingredient is dried banana peel. Blend it and add 1 tablespoon to the container. Banana peel is a great source of potassium and calcium, which strengthen the roots and support flower development. Pour in water and mix everything well. Then strain the liquid through a cheesecloth into another container. Your fertilizer is ready. Before using, dilute it in a 1-to-1 ratio. Water your daffodils every 2 weeks. You'll see results in just a few days. Faster growth, bigger flowers, and more vibrant blooms.